First order of business over here is to get some food. You gotta load up. Gotta load up for the trip. Oh, there he is, there he is. There's the guy.
What's up, dudes? Let's do it, get out.
Okay, everybody, we are back with another video in the house. In this vlog, we're going camping. I know you briefly met him for almost a second in the supermarket over there when we're picking up food. Everyone meet Aaron.
Hey everybody, how we doing?
That's Aaron Rosenthal. You'll meet him more as we go along in the trip, and you're gonna meet the rest of the chevra joining us. I hope everyone enjoys today's episode and camping trip. We're going to Barryville today. You guys can see that. 2 hours and 20 minutes away.
Yo!
Aaron, what do you have to tell everyone? We've been driving for about an hour and a half. Guys in the car waving at me. You know, if you would have done this a few years ago, people wonder what in the world you're doing, but vlogging is now considered normal. Vlogging is considered normal. Vlog life forever, chevra.
Taking time for yourself and enjoying life, it requires getting into the right headspace. But it's not that easy. You gotta get mentally prepared to really detach, disconnect, and get out there. So even harder than just getting away is really getting into the right headspace.
We are now sitting in traffic. So I guess that's part of life, overcoming the obstacles.
It's always the hardest part of the trip is when you're so close and you just feel so far. You're like, oh, let's get there already.
You guys get the garbage site? All right, over there. I can't believe anyone else found it.
15 minutes.
What's up, Shia?
Tell everyone the story.
The old guy in the trailer?
Yeah.
Without a shirt?
Yeah.
He's yelling at me. What are these mountains made of lead? There ain't no phone service over here. That's what he said to me.
Unbelievable. That's Yaakov, guys. Everyone meet Yudi!
Get away from me! You horrible creature! We gotta... Come on, man.
And I don't think you guys met Brian!
Hello, how are you? Look at this beautiful river over here. We are going to be sleeping right next to it. Not in it, hopefully. High tide is coming soon. Can't wait.
Everyone, welcome to the tent over here! This is intense. This was really my intent.
Go.
Oh! A little bit of axe throwing. Oh, we got the fire!
We got two fires. We have a mini fire and a big fire.
How come it's not on fire?
It's slowly getting on fire. It's whatever's going on in there.
Charcoal.
That's like, you know, mini guy, hot dogs, you know, a couple of small jazz on that. And there's the big boys going here. We always gotta have two fires.
We got an inverter.
What's an inverter?
An inverter converts DC power, 12 volts DC to 110 volts AC. We're gonna blow up our mattresses with that.
Okay.
Trying to save some effort later.
Okay, everyone, as they set up the camp, check out what we got. We got an air mattress. And check out what I brought. A pocket knife! Oh yeah, you didn't think I had one of these. Safety first, everyone. Boom, boom. Unboxing. Oh, taking out the air mattress. Just like I thought it was gonna be. An air mattress. Now we're gonna go and blow it up.
We are inflating a Intex air mattress and it looks like it's working.
But there's one thing I can say for sure is I'm pumped. I'm pumped up. Oh yeah.
Hi, how are you doing? You like some?
This is not safe to bring this
Yeah,
in.
you should not be bringing that in here.
We got 3 different types of dogs here. We got the healthy dogs, no nitrates. We got the chicken dogs, and as you can see, when they hit them, they move weird. And those are the straight up guys, straight up hot dog.
Like and subscribe right here. It's not so simple, and this is gorgeous. And take a look. That is a chocolate milk river. Willy Wonka would be jealous right now.
I thought glamping would be the way to go, but now I see camping is pretty cool, especially because we got a lot of ice and the biggest cooler I've ever seen. There is no one in there, it's just food.
No severed heads in the cooler.
Mirror business! Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Good time with everyone.
How's the chicken doing?
Chicken is A-okay.
Sorry, look at this millipede.
Look at the size of this thing.
Oh my God.
I turned away for a second.
You guys see that?
Get rid of it.
What do we got there?
It wants to eat from the barbecue.
It's a millipede. I think
Say
they're
goodbye.
Be careful.
Wow, where'd that come from? He just tried to grab me.
He just tried to get you.
Yeah. All right, give me a spatula. Pack of bubble
Use a fork.
Oh, it's climbing off.
Whoa, I'm here.
What is the best thing about getting away?
Just losing yourself. Losing yourself.
No cell phone service.
Change of scenery and just enjoying the outdoors.
It's being with the friends, being with the guys. That's good.
Being with the guys. How many years have we been able to go camping with each other? Anyone want to chime in over here? How many years, Aaron?
Different configurations, but
3 to 5, 5 to 10.
5 to, at least over 10. Over 10, probably close to 15.
Really?
Yeah.
Close to 15 years trying to get together. As we get older, it gets harder to get away even for just one night, but it's well worth the effort. Okay, everyone, we had a good night over here. We're in the tent. Aaron, there's my bunkmate. Aaron, say hello.
We can see out to the top.
Aaron, can you say hi? You're blinding it with the light over there. Okay, good night, everyone. We'll see you in the morning.
Let's go.
Laila Tov.
Are you done?
Morning, everyone. Rise and shine. Had a horrible sleep over here. The mattress tilted downwards, so all the blood just rushed to my head. It was like I was sleeping upside down. It also seems that everyone brought a pillow except for me. Only guy without a pillow. Oh, I think he had an extra one. Only guy without a pillow. These guys are the early risers.
Risers on the storm. We had to drive out to Port Jervis to get coffee, which is about 15-20 minutes away each way, just to get some coffee and make a bracha.
There's also been no reception or cell phone service. That's a good thing.
Right here is the 1 inch where you actually have service on the phone.
I'm afraid to move from this position. We're junkies.
We have Central closed by Rockaway Turnpike over here.
Compliments to our own delicious eggs. There's nothing like eating fresh eggs on a camping trip with some friends.
Nothing like it.
Delicious! Delicious!
Excited, we're ramped up. Let's go boating, rafting, come on.
I am doing amazing. This is so fun. Can't wait to go rafting, maybe?
We just packed up the campsite. We got everything in the car. We're heading out to our next destination. We're hoping to go river rafting. Oh yeah. I'm a little bit short on words. Just really nice getting out with everyone, having a good time, taking a break from the daily grind and the schedules. And it makes you, you know, think about life. We are renting the canoes. My regular camera's in the car, not waterproof. Signing the releases at this great place. This wonderful woman's been helping us. Thank you. Give a wave. Boom! In the house. We're getting on the van now. Heading out on the trip. Give a wave. Okay, everyone, an update over here. They're making us wear face masks.
Now I see it.
In this packed van, everyone's got to wear a face mask. Let me flip the camera around and show you how many people are in this van. Oh, look at that. Okay. Go.
I'm thrilled the standards are so high that we're all wearing masks, we're all socially distant, and we know that our great businesses in New York are following those rules established by the state. I mean, what is it, like 13 people in a van that's supposed to seat 7?
We got a 12-passenger van with 16 people on it. We're going 95 miles an hour on a curvy road. It says 20 miles an hour. It's slow. And she's wearing a face mask that you cannot see outside the top.
My wife is gonna lose it when she sees this. Absolutely love what's going down right now.
Yo, that was so needed at so many different levels. And not having cell service was probably the best thing that happened to us on this trip. I feel like I can go back to work now and just be focused on work and do what I gotta do. This break was awesome. Really good.
Really, really not easy, but it's well worth the coordination and the time that it takes. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, hit that subscribe button, push that like, forward to a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, everyone. Peace.